Hello students, in today's video we are going to study about archaic words. In the previous video we understood what classic literature is, and archaic words are very important aspect of classic literature. Now what are archaic words? जैसा नाम से ही पता चल रहा है archaic, जो पुराने हो चुके हैं, अब यूज में इतना नहीं आते हैं. So archaic words are words from the past that have become rare or old fashioned, which we normally don't use in the present vocabulary. Why do authors use archaic words? जब वो already outdated हो चुके हैं, out of fashion हो चुके हैं, why is the author using them? There are reasons. First is historical accuracy. जब आप वो words use कर रहे हैं which were used by the people of that time, it becomes relevant historically. Then creating an authentic atmosphere. The words which are archaic, they take us to that world, that atmosphere. So it becomes authentic if we use those archaic words. And then is characterization. Some people used to use some words, certain words, and if we use those words, we easily relate them to those characters. Hence, archaic words are important and relevant. And the next point is poetry and rhythm. Some words are very musical. They have symphony in them. So, with using them, the author becomes more comfortable and the readers start enjoying the element. So now, what is the impact of archaic words? As I just said, readers enjoy it. Let's see. First is setting a time and place. When the author uses archaic words, the reader immediately travels to that time, that setting. So, creating a special atmosphere. जो atmosphere उस समय बनता था. If we use modern words, that atmosphere will not be created. For that, we need archaic words. The next is defining characters. As I told you, some characters had some typical words which they used. So we relate to those words immediately with that particular character. So these archaic words are used. And then next is adding depth and authenticity. उतना ही authentic हो जाता है, उतना ही deep हो जाता है when we use these archaic words. Accuracy आ जाती है, हमें लगता है yes, it is of that time only. We are talking of correct person. Now we will study some examples of archaic words. First one is thy and thou. The meaning is your and you. The example of its usage is thou art my dearest friend, means you are my closest friend. Another word is hast and shalt, which means have and shall. Thou hast the power means you have the power. The next is thee and thine. Now thee is you, thine is yours. This is thine means this is yours. Merry, happy or joyful. God rest ye merry, gentlemen, which means God keep you joyful, gentlemen. Now there is a fact, you will enjoy knowing this. Did you know in olden times, somewhere in 15th century, people used to wish as good morrow, which meant good morning. And you will find this in many plays of Shakespeare. So that is the beauty of archaic words. And now we will know how to comprehend the archaic words. So first thing is we have to look at the context where the word has been used, and then break down the sentence into smaller parts. उसको छोटे-छोटे parts में करेंगे. Then you have to make an educated guess कि yes, logic says this कि ये meaning हो सकता है. Not ऐसे ही तुक्का, but it should be educated guess. Some logic should be there behind it. And then you have to check your guess whether my meaning, the one which I have thought, is accurate or not. And now it is task time. What you have to do is choose any classical work and find out archaic words from it. I hope archaic words are clear and you will enjoy this work a lot. See you in the next video. Happy learning!